केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो मतवारा हुआ रे, केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. After days of political silence, SIR is back to making the headlines. And once again, it's a Congress leader bringing it under the spotlight. But this time, not by attacking Special Intensive Revision, not by questioning the Election Commission, but by urging people to participate in this exercise. The surprise voice is Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar. As the SIR exercise begins today in Karnataka, Shivakumar has asked every eligible voter to compulsorily fill the enumeration form and preserve their voting rights. He has also warned that failing to do so could lead to the loss of voting rights and in future create difficulties in accessing government welfare schemes. Listen in.
Please see that you fill up the enumeration form and have your writing vote and maintain your great life. If you doesn't enroll, you are going to lose all your rights given by the benefits either by the country or by the state government. So I request you not to lose this opportunity. Otherwise, if you lose your votes, you may find difficulty on the other benefits which has been provided to you.
But that's where the surprise ends and the Congress story takes a familiar twist. While the Chief Minister is urging voters to participate in SIR, his Home Minister Priyank Khadge wants the Election Commission to first answer the party's objections before proceeding. Chief Minister says must fill the forms before the deadline. His cabinet colleague says, hold on, one Congress leader conducts awareness campaigns, the other puts Election Commission in the dock.
See, very clearly we have raised 12 objections to the way SIR is conducted. We were expecting the CEC to reply to what our Chief Secretary has written. We are asking them on the that they revise their entire process, make it transparent, but unfortunately they have chosen not to reply. We'll see what to do.
So which Congress should the people actually believe in? The Congress that's implementing SIR or the Congress that's attacking it? The BJP sees confusion and contradictions, but the Congress has firmly rejected even that charge.
कंफ्यूजन के कमल खाने में कैद ये जो कुनबा है, इसको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि किस चीज का ये विरोध करें और किस चीज का वो समर्थन करें। अभी SIR को लेकर के ये विरोध कर रहे थे, SIR पर जो है वो सवाल और बवाल कर रहे थे। अब कहें जी SIR तो में जो है वो सबको पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए, तो पहले ये खुद तय कर लें कि ये चाहते क्या हैं।
The BJP should really keep quiet and not make disarray statements. The BJP should realize what is being said is for a greater participation in SIR. And I think what is going to happen in Karnataka, we will ensure that everybody participates, everybody is included, and the kind of exclusion that one has seen in BJP ruled states does not happen there.
This is what they have been doing. BJP is doing all the state. They didn't allow Bihar and Bengal is the example. Why they have problem with Mr. D.K. is saying something? Why they have a problem now? Why they are scared of? This language was used by them only, BJP only, no?
क्या ही हो रहा है? And the resistance doesn't end within the Congress party. Today the party also took its SIR battle national. 23 opposition parties, including the current India bloc allies and ex-allies, the Aam Aadmi Party and the DMK, joined hands to write to the Chief Justice of India. They alleged bias in the Election Commission's conduct, warned that the SIR process is vulnerable to manipulation and sought judicial scrutiny. The Congress credits this show of opposition unity to SURE, S-U-R-E. Solidarity, Unity and Resistance, another acronym that has been coined. But the BJP says this isn't about surety, it is about duplicity.
SIR is the most organized form of disenfranchising Indians. On what grounds are people being denied the right to vote? Is it not disenfranchising? And this really amounts to weakening and an attack on our democratic structure.
Voting is being manipulated to benefit the BJP through the SIR process. So now, in an unprecedented move, it has never happened before that 23 opposition parties, this time including the Aam Aadmi Party and the DMK, they have also signed this letter.
SIR पर जो कांग्रेस और विपक्षी दलों का दोहरा रवैया है, SIR केरल और तमिलनाडु में हो और आप जीते तब SIR संस्कारी, और जब SIR बंगाल में और आप हारे तो संस्कारी नहीं, वहाँ पे SIR भ्रष्टाचारी, दुराचारी.
So what is a vote preservation exercise in Karnataka when it becomes vote chori in Bihar? What is deemed legitimate voter roll revision in Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana and Tamil Nadu becomes an assault on democracy in Bengal? And if one goes by Rahul Gandhi's criticism of SIR being an anti-national act, why is his own party chief minister encouraging participation? Listen now to what Rahul Gandhi has been saying about SIR and ponder over that question.
इलेक्शन कमीशन की ड्यूटी है वो वन मैन वन वोट इन्फोर्स. 25 लाख वी हैव क्रिस्टल क्लियर प्रूफ दैट दे आर फेक. जो हमें मिला है वो एटम बॉम्ब है. मतलब एटम बॉम्ब है, फटेगा वो आप इलेक्शन कमीशन आपको दिखेगा नहीं. बाय सेइंग दैट द बिगेस्ट एंटी नेशनल एक्ट यू कैन डू is vote chori.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to the legitimate question. At a time when Congress is repeatedly pitching for Rahul Gandhi as Prime Minister, will they take a cue from their own Chief Minister and revise their stance on SIR? That's the question, that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate tonight, Charu Pragya, national spokesperson of the BJP, Karan Verma, author. Also joining the debate, Vivek Silas to my left, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, Advocate Anmol Pawar, my friend from the Aam Aadmi Party, A. Saravanan, national spokesperson of the DMK, joining the debate in just a bit. But my first question goes to Congress leader Ashwini Kumar Mishra. And Ashwini Kumar Mishra, भैया गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है, कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है. Who is the Congress with and who is it against? Because the Chief Minister D.K. Shiv Kumar in Karnataka says one thing, on the other hand Priyanka Kharge says another thing. Supriya Srinath tried to defend on both sides, makes a bigger confusion out of it. क्या चाहिए भाई? SIR चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? सही है कि गलत है? Are you campaigning for it or are you not campaigning for it? Have you fought the case in Supreme Court? If you have fought the case and lost it in Supreme Court, why are you writing chitti pe chitti? Are you India Alliance plus to Aam Aadmi Party and DMK now, or are you only sure about being unsure? What are you, Ashwini ji? Please समझा दीजिए.
Navika ji, good evening to you, fellow panelists and your viewers. In your initial statement, you said that Congress is implementing SIR, or at least Congress supporting the implementation of SIR. No, it is not like that, Navika ji. We are opposing SIR because in criminology there is something called actus reus and then something called mens rea. Mens rea means the intent. The intent of SIR, the intent of this government is something we are opposing. However, if you look at the statement of D.K. Kumar ji, he said that if SIR happens, which is inevitable and will happen, then let me help my people so that less people's votes are cut. And that is the reason he is telling that go and participate so that your voting rights are not taken away by this cheating election commission. जो vote चोरी करता है. Navika ji, I was talking about intent. Intent is very important when you take an action, because without mens rea, nothing can be justified, nothing can be asked about anything. It depends on whether you are for democracy or you are for anarchy. This government is not for democracy. This government loves anarchy, and that is the reason they are manipulating every election at various stages. It is important whether you are for the country's interest or you are for self-interest. Modi ji always believe in self-interest or the interest of their industrious friend. It is also important that you want to protect notion, or you are a compromised prime minister who will put the interest of the entire country and do a surrender. So intent is very important. When D.K. Shivkumar says that,
I'm asking you that intent only, sir. What is your intent in Karnataka? Are you campaigning for SIR? Are you wanting people to fill the forms? That is what the chief minister is saying. But your home minister in Karnataka is saying something else. What is your intent? What is your intention? And why is there so much confusion? Itna kuch you have said. Nobody has understood anything on what you want to say.
नाविका, कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है. हम सिर्फ इतना बोल रहे हैं. पहली चीज तो हम ये बोल रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल यूपी का एग्जांपल, यूपी में जो बुलडोजर की राजनीति होती है वो गलत होती है. सेम टाइम हम ये बोल रहे हैं कि अगर कभी कहीं आप बुलडोजर की राजनीति में फंस जाओ तो बुलडोजर से दूर रहो.
अगर पेपर लीक ना भी हो रहा होता ना तो इस एग्जाम में आप फेल हो जाते. बट चारू प्रज्ञा, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड टू दिस एंटायर कंफ्यूजन, बिकॉज द कांग्रेस डज नॉट नो व्हाट इट इज डूइंग.
Congress has not known what it is doing for a really long time, Navika ji, and you're being very generous by using the word now. The fact is that Congress is always looking for someone else to blame every time perform terribly in any election. This is a fact, and this is the only thing that we need to be discussing, because their focus has moved from EVMs. In 2019, if you remember, they marched to the Supreme Court again in a similar way, a big chunk of these opposition parties saying that something is wrong with the EVMs. Then their focus shifted to VVPAT. Now they have moved on to the electoral roll, not once focusing on the fact that nobody is now subscribing to their kind of politics, and that is the bottom line. Here in Karnataka, we have a chief minister who says the SIR process is starting with me. Congress chief minister. The chief minister is setting up facilitation centers. He is saying that you will have trouble receiving subsidies from my government if you do not participate in the SIR process now. In fact, he is making sure that constitutionally everything is done properly. But here in Delhi, Rahul Gandhi seems to be a lost cause as always, and Ashwini जैसे जो लोगों को आना पड़ता है टीवी पर, trying to decipher, translate, help people understand what Rahul Gandhi ji is saying or what anybody else is saying.
We run by law, we run by constitution, we run by legal framework.
Ashwini ji, आपके बीच में मैं बोली नहीं, पता नहीं आप बीच में मुझे क्यों कुछ बोलने की जरूरत पड़ जाती है, पर फैक्ट ये है, we'll come back to that, आपकी गोल पोस्ट शिफ्ट होती रहती है क्योंकि आपकी पॉलिटिक्स हो गई है जीरो अंडा, एंड यही है आज की कहानी. That's it.
Well, let me bring in Saravanan. Mr. Saravanan, I want to ask you, after all, the SIR exercise during the previous elections took place in Kerala, in your state of Tamil Nadu, along with other states. Now, you saw what the Congress did, what the TMC did. You did not create any showdown on, voter list, because it is an exercise that must be done. You are supporting, you are going to courts is fine. But what is the Congress doing? Is it with you or is it against you? In Delhi, they are with you. In Karnataka, they are contradicting you. In Karnataka itself, Chief Minister is being contradicted by the Home Minister. Can you understand this politics? Or do you see any logic in this? Or is this just meant to confuse the voter completely?
Yeah, see, let's split the two issues you have brought together. One is Congress, the other is SIR. If you ask me about the SIR should not have happened. In a way, the BJP has rammed it in Bihar, in West Bengal, or for that matter, in the state of Tamil Nadu. We all knew how many people were disenfranchised in Bihar, how many people, what a mockery they did in West Bengal.
People.
But in the state of Tamil Nadu, they were not able to do anything.
I'm not interrupting, but please tell me, where are those people? Disenfranchised. No, where are those people? If there were that many of them, Navika ji would have put at least 50 of them in the studio today with us. Where are they, Navika ji? Why haven't any of us ever met them?
You don't read newspapers.
No, you just like so random with these numbers.
Not
So
random.
many of them have been
One powerful
disenfranchised.
personality, Mr.
Not
Rajagopal.
once
Mr.
understanding that
Rajagopal,
lakhs
do
of
you-
these
do you
people
read
have died,
newspapers?
had
Do you read
duplicate voter
newspapers?
ID cards,
Do you read
have moved to
of
another
other
part of the
people?
country,
Mr.
but your
Rajagopal,
politics is
a
only going to
foreign
run
Okay,
by
allow
lying
him-
about numbers. I'm
allow
sorry,
him-
they can't just say
allow
random
him to
things.
allow him to complete his
It's
points
such a
and then
random
counter.
statement.
Charu Pragya, allow him to
Sure, but can he just put some facts in front of us, Navika? I'm tired of hearing lakhs of people have been
Okay,
disenfranchised.
all right.
Lakhs छोड़ो ना, 50 लोगों को आपके स्टूडियो में इनवाइट कर लीजिए पहले.
He will not respond to your Hindi. Please speak in English.
All right, in English, then I will repeat myself. Why don't you invite all these so-called people to the studio, any studio, Navika ji show? Why don't you do that? Because I'm
Okay.
tired of hearing lakhs of people and not even meeting hundreds of them.
Sarvananji, please tell us, where are those people who did not get their right?
Yeah.
And
See,
ma'am,
those
you
people are
please
there
make space for them, because lakhs of people, where
It's
will they
big,
fit?
it's
Where
a
will
big
they fit?
studio, we will accommodate everybody. And bigger than the studio is our heart.
Yeah. I think the BJP spokesperson is not aware of what happened in the Supreme Court. Dead people were brought before the Supreme Court. Mr. Yogendra Yadav took to the Supreme Court. And that is how they examined this SIR. They exposed this fraud. How the lakhs and lakhs of voters were
You're
disenfranchised.
exposing yourself,
And
in
in
fact.
West Bengal, a prominent editor,
One
Mr.
person.
Rajagopal,
Just
he
one person.
was disenfranchised.
Just one
he was
person.
disenfranchised because
And that also, I believe
not,
you did to create
Oh
a
my
media
God.
circus.
No, but
so
if there is
insecure?
one person
Why are
left
you so
out,
insecure?
needs to be
Why are
addressed,
you
no?
so
Tell me there is a
insecure?
process.
There can't
na?
be a media circle.
No.
The media
But
circles
Navika, there
can't
is
be
a
blamed for
process. There
everything.
is a process, no. Which one of them is following the process? The people
can
they're
give
talking
you
about
five
in front of
from
the
my
Supreme
list.
Court. Give us the
Navika,
names.
allow me to
Show
speak
us the
uninterruptedly.
document. They are the ones who are
understand.
claiming.
I understand the BJP is rattled. I
No,
understand the
BJP is not rattled.
clueless.
The country is
Then why
tired
are you
of your
saying-
random
then allow-
statements without any
Tired.
proof
Close
back.
your
Okay,
ears. If
all
you
right,
can't close
all
your
right. For
Close
that
your time.
redress mechanism, you're going to the Supreme Court. Answer two questions, Sarvananji.
Yes,
Question number one, is
Yes.
the Congress confused in Karnataka when they speak in different voices? Number one.
See.
Number two, when this matter has been looked at by the Supreme Court in a case related to these SIR activities in all these states, Bihar, Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, all of these states, what does writing a letter to the Chief Justice actually stand for? What does it mean?
See, in a democracy, creating contrary opinions is a must. And you are debating. If not for this letter, would you have debated SIR in Karnataka?
Within the same party,
SIR in-
creating
No.
contradictions within the
No,
same party is a must.
See. No, I'll tell you what. See, any state government, if the SIR is there, we are all following the constitution. So, though we may not agree with this SIR, since it is being done by the Election Commission of India, we have to listen to that. We have to accede to that. We will not say, no, we will not. We are not beyond the constitution. So, we want to find a mechanism to address the issue. So, we are writing to the Chief Justice of India. This is what it is. And this is creating a discussion among the entire country on 9 p.m. prime time in Times Now. You are discussing this. Millions of people will watch this. They will know lakhs and lakhs of people were disenfranchised in Bihar and in West Bengal. So similar thing should happen elsewhere. This will create a pressure.
It did not happen. It did not happen in Tamil Nadu. Are you saying that it did not happen in Tamil Nadu and Kerala?
Yeah, Tamil Nadu. I can speak for Tamil Nadu. In
Yes.
Tamil Nadu, though SIR deletions did happen, that's what. We had a very robust system. DMK had the highest number of booth level agents in the entire country. So we were able to...
There you have it, Karan Verma.
Thank you very
if
much.
the DMK could manage, the Congress, the RJD, the TMC can't manage, the problem is within the party or the problem is the election commission's number one? And of course, this crowning glory confusion in the Congress party, what do you think about it?
No. First of all, I think, Navika ji, we have two crowning glories in your panel today. One is Ashwini ji and the other is Sarvanand ji. And let me just rebut both of them. Because Ashwini ji started with mens rea. That he said, what is the intention? He doesn't know what mens rea means. It's a Latin word for a guilty mind, which then examines, it's assumed that it's guilty. Then it is examined whether the intent was recklessness, carelessness, or the person was aware of it. So he's assumed that the Modi government is guilty, even though it had nothing to do with the Modi government. The Election Commission, it was said by the Supreme Court that the process adopted by the Election Commission is fair, it has advanced free and fair election, and it was not arbitrary, and it was good in law. I am quoting exactly what the Supreme Court has said. But Ashwini ji here is out there to examine the intent of a guilt. That is Ashwini ji for you. I'm glad he's not a lawyer. Secondly, what Sarvanand told Charu Pragya, he said in the Supreme Court, Prashant Bhushan, Yogendra Yadav, they all went. Of course they went. And they landed with a foot in their mouth. Let me read out what Justice Kant said. Justice Kant said, being a senior person, at least the first affidavit that you submitted should have been an authentic one. Yogendra Yadav made a complete fool of himself by presenting fake affidavits in the court. He could not present one proper case. The only thing he could do was parade people. You can't parade people, you have to give it in an affidavit. He could not present one, Navika ji. In fact, he was reprimanded by Justice Kant and Justice Bagchi that you are producing fake affidavits. That is the level of the opposition. We need to understand and wrap our heads around it. That is why they are in this pitiable position, and DK Shiv Kumar gets it. DK Shiv Kumar has even gone on to say that if you don't do an SIR, you will not even get social benefits. Imagine. He is an absolute hawk as far as SIR is concerned. He is ready to strip the people of social benefits. Though this had little to do with social benefits.
No, stop misquoting him.
Primarily.
Stop
that is the level
misquoting
to
him.
which he is doubling down.
Stop misquoting him.
When he has said that, where is the misquoting? He has said that. I can read it out for you. I can read it out for you, Ashwini ji. आप पढ़कर नहीं आए हैं. आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर ने क्या कहा है?
मैं पूरा पढ़ के भी आया हूँ, सुन के भी आया हूँ. Allow me 30 seconds.
Okay.
I'll allow me 30 seconds. Chief Minister ने बोला है SIR process के बाद आपका voting rights. Chief Minister said after SIR process your voting rights will be snatched if you are not participating in SIR. Your voting rights will be snatched. If your voting rights is snatched, you don't have a voter right. There are certain government schemes, certain things which is given to only who are the voters. So those.
How are they given to voters?
Not the law.
How are they only? Matlab, you don't want to give to those people who will not vote for you. So while you are fighting citizenship, while you are fighting SIR, you will cut people out of the beneficiaries, and you want to twist it to suit something which is not making sense. But let me get Anmol Pawar in. Anmol Pawar, DK Shiv Kumar says one thing, Rahul Gandhi says another thing. Jairam Ramesh ke saath you have signed a letter of sure, but everybody in the Congress is extremely unsure. Where is this battle of the SIR actually leading people?
Good evening, Navika ji. Navika ji, the people of this country are sure, they have no doubt that this SIR is a fraudulent exercise. This is an attempt by BJP ED party and the frontal wing of the ED party, Election Commission, to loot democracy in broad daylight, to crush our democracy, and that is what they have been doing. In West Bengal, we saw how 27 lakh voters were standing outside the 19 appellate tribunal set up by the Honorable Supreme Court. They were not allowed to vote. In the national capital itself, we saw that in almost 20 constituencies, thousands of votes were deleted. In New Delhi Assembly constituency itself, 50,000 votes were deleted. Please do not interrupt. I didn't interrupt when you were speaking. Our leader Arvind Kejriwal ji very categorically said that 50,000 votes have been deleted. We provided evidence to the Election Commission, but no action was taken. At that time, before the Delhi elections, he said that the ex-election commissioner, Mr. Rajiv Kumar, is indulging in politics. वो राजनीति कर रहे हैं, anticipating post-retirement rewards and today it has been proved correct. When we heard that for 3 years he have been appointed as chairman of HDFC Bank, तो बिल्कुल साफ कर दिया भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने कि भाई आप वोट चोरी में हमारी मदद करो, हम आपको बड़े बड़े पदों पे बिठाएंगे.
Well, HDFC Bank is a private bank. Maybe आपको SBI and HDFC का फर्क नहीं पता.
इनकी नहीं, हमें फर्क पता है. हमें यही पता है कि कौन सरकार की गुलामी करता है, किसके मुंह में जबान बंद हो जाती है, कौन देश के साथ खड़ा है और कौन
counter.
You know, the thing is, I would have forgiven Ashwini ji for a lot of things he said because he's not a lawyer. चलो करण ने समझा दिया. लेकिन अनमोल, you call yourself a lawyer. You did go to court with all of this. You went to the court against the SIR even previously. Remember? You've gone to court for everything. And whatever the court says is here for the entire country to hear. तो आप rhetoric में fancy English में 4 sentences string together कर देते हैं तो आपका झूठ सच नहीं हो जाएगा. जिन लाखों लोगों की so-called आप rhetorics में बात कर रहे हैं, let me issue you a challenge. Let me issue you a challenge. अगर ये लोग असली होते तो इन सब की एफिडेविट फाइल कर दिए गए होते. Are you trying to tell me you don't have workers on the ground? Are you trying to tell me कि BLOs अपना काम नहीं कर रहे? Lakhs of them. You cannot say that and even you know it, and that is exactly why you should focus more on better governance. जहां पर आपको जनता ने चांस दे दिया है, लेकिन जहां जनता ने आपको चांस दिया वहां आपने पुलिस की सैलरी पे कर पा रहे, वहां पर आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर एक अलग ही लेवल का ड्रामा कर रहे हैं. अभी तक तो बस पाकिस्तान से एक्टर आए थे, उनके लिए कल को एलियंस आएंगे. भगवान जाने आपके टाइप की राजनीति करते हैं, फिर बोलते हैं.
1 minute. Let me get Vivek silent.
Since the show has started, I am asking them for something concrete in way of an affidavit.
Exactly, concrete. I want to ask you. There are only 3 cases that have been filed in Bengal in this election. If there are so many problems, why are more cases not being solved? If cases were also filed against the Election Commission in the Supreme Court on the issue of SIR, what will a letter do that case could not resolve? Will the Chief Justice of India say something different in response to a letter than he did in the court case that actually was before the Supreme Court? The Congress party in Delhi says something, in Karnataka says something else, and I can read out to you what Mr. D.K. Shiv Kumar has said, and I will, he said it in Kannada, but I am translating it into English, and I am telling you what the Supreme Court said. If you do not enroll, you are going to lose all your rights given by the benefits either by the country or by the state government. So I request you not to lose this opportunity. Otherwise, if you lose your votes, you may find difficulty on the other benefits which are being provided to you. Which part of this statement is not clear to anyone in this country? Please tell me, Vivek Silent.
Navika ji, if the SIR process is inevitable, is there any other option? There's no other option at all, you know. As you rightly said, there is a lot of confusion and chaos among the congressmen. You are absolutely wrong at the time. There's a lot of chaos and confusion amongst the citizens of India. What the government of India says that even passport is not a valid document for citizenship. It's just a travel document. So suppose if we go out abroad, we cannot say we are Indians. That is the problem that the government is trying to make. And basically, it's the duty of the Election Commission that every voter every single voter is included in the voting list. That is the duty of the Election Commission. So that is what I am saying. And what about Supreme? What is the Supreme Court will say? जैसे बंगाल में कहा था 27,15,000 पे, अरे कोई बात नहीं, इस बार नहीं, अगली बार वोट दे देना.
फिर चिट्ठी क्यों नहीं? वो जो श्योर वाला जो मूवमेंट चलाया है, इंडिया श्योर,
तो चिट्ठी लिखेंगे, गुहार तो लगाएंगे ना नाविका जी. न्याय तो यहीं से मिलेगा ना नाविका जी. कहां से मिलेगा, कहां जाए? इट इज इनएविटेबल. एंड व्हाई द बीजेपी, माय क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई द बीजेपी इज ऑलवेज डिफेंडिंग द SIR, द इलेक्शन कमीशन? व्हाई? व्हाट इज द रीजन?
That is because election commission does not have spokespersons to send, so we cannot invite any, but Karan Verma. गुहार लगाएंगे. If it is inevitable, we will say people should go and enroll themselves. But we will still question the process. We will take away state benefits. We will take away state benefits, but we will still curse the SIR because we don't have faith in it.
Sorry.
चल क्या रहा है? What's going on?
Before Karan speaks up, मैं ना विवेक जी की एक बात पे एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. Simple question. There is a Form 8, which is meant for correction in voter rolls. There is sufficient time given. In all the states, sufficient time has been given. Please tell me, आप और आपके साथी पार्टियां, I do not even want to call you an alliance anymore. How many Form 8s were filled? Do you know that? Do you know how many Form 8s were filled?
अच्छा, मैं आपको
नहीं, आपसे स्ट्रेट क्वेश्चन पूछा है. लाखों लोग बात कर रहे हैं, स्ट्रेट जवाब दो. Form 8 कितना आपने और आपके साथों ने भरकर सबमिट किया है? Just give me this number and don't go around in circles. नंबर बोलिए विवेक जी.
बिल्कुल आपका जवाब दे रहा हूँ चारू जी. बिल्कुल शांति से सुनिए. देखिए, उत्तर प्रदेश से आता हूँ, उत्तर प्रदेश की बात करूंगा.
आप हर बार बंगाल का नाम ले रहे हैं, फिर आप लाखों लोग
1 minute.
Ma'am, sorry.
No, you asked a question. Allow him to respond. Please respond. 20 seconds.
मैं नंद किशोर निषाद की बात कर रहा हूँ, जो अंगूठा छाप था. हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने उसको प्रेजेंट भी किया, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी की. उसके नाम से फर्जी वो साइन करवा के आप लोग वोट बढ़वा घटवा रहे हैं. बंगाल में आ जाइए, रुक जाइए. आप नाविका जी मुझे एक बता दीजिए. मैं बस एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. SIR बहुत गंभीर सवाल है. मैं बहुत गंभीर सवाल. चारू जी, क्या आप 30 लाख लोगों को जानती हैं?
अरे
कोई जानता है, कोई दर्शक जानता है. लेकिन बंगाल में ऐसा हुआ कि एक आदमी झोले में लेके 30 लाख वोट कटवा रहा था. 30 लाख. आप क्या 30 लाख लोगों को जानती हैं कि वोट कटवाने आप चले गए? This is the problem that the country is facing.
Life cannot. 1 minute. Life and any constitutional authority cannot satisfy statements that are made in general. 30 lakhs bag में लेके. Please give individual. Please give individual example. She doesn't have to remember. You don't have to remember. Pick up 30 lakh forms. Fill those forms. Go to court or go to the election commission. Karan Verma. 1 minute. Karan Verma. You know, can a poetry, can a complaint book make up for the process that is required to be done? And I'm just asking, the process is what DK Shivakumar is saying people will have to follow, and that is exactly what the election commission is saying. If people don't follow the process, can the exercise be termed as unfair?
Absolutely not. And firstly, the Supreme Court itself monitored it and termed it as not arbitrary and good in the spirit of law, and it also hailed its implementation. Now, what Vivek ji just said कि बीजेपी क्यों डिफेंड करने आती, विवेक जी भूल जाते हैं एक पूरा सेशन पार्लियामेंट का आप लोग खराब करने लग गए थे ये कह के कि SIR पे बीजेपी को जवाब देना चाहिए. तब बीजेपी का स्टैंड ये था, दिस इज द इलेक्शन कमीशंस प्रेरोगेटिव, व्हाई शुड वी स्पीक ऑन इट? You insisted that BJP should speak on behalf of
शर्मा को लेके भारतीय जनता पार्टी पूरा सेशन खा गई थी और आज उनको मुख्यमंत्री बना दिया.
सेशन किया है आप लोगों
को, आपको याद नहीं आ रहा है?
आप
Vivek Silas, you cannot compare the incomparable. When you are asking the BJP to respond, okay, in parliament, when the BJP responds here, you have a problem. It's a logical question. Please respond to that.
नहीं, what you said right now, I got, I was not very, you were not, or I was not listening very carefully, but the basic thing that you said is, the basic thing that you said right
argument now, नहीं था. You do not have a logical response.
आपसे भी बात कर रहा था,
I'm sorry.
तीनों को देख रहा था.
Now this as an excuse for failing to answer. Grace marks तो मेरे पास है नहीं कि मैं आपकी रिपोर्ट कार्ड में डालूं.
चारू जी,
answers don't make sense. Frankly, it's much more respectable to say मैंने सुना नहीं, rather than saying something which doesn't make sense. Well done. नहीं, विवेक जी, well done. Rather than saying something जो digest नहीं कर सकता, आपने सही बोला.
1 minute. It's only fair. It's only fair that when Karan raises a logical question. नहीं, if Karan raises a logical question which stumps, the Samajwadi Party spokesperson, he should be allowed to complete his point. Karan.
Yes, please.
नहीं नाविका जी, हियर वी हैव द प्रूफ। विवेक जी सुनते ही नहीं, ना जनता की सुनते हैं ना सवाल
लेंगे यार, तो क्या सुनूंगा यार?
ये जो चल गया है ना आपका विवेक जी, यही प्रॉब्लम है।
तीन लोग एक साथ बोल रहे हैं,
आवाज सुना करो, फिर बोल रहे हो।
प्रूफ मांग रहे थे, 3 लोग की बात नहीं सुनते। कमाल क्या करते हैं आप, 30 लाख का हिसाब किताब मांग रहे थे। बट Ashwini Mishra, the question is fairly and squarely here. Everything that you want to contest the SIR, you wanted to do it, you went to court, you want to still do it, you are most welcome to do it. You have to give concrete examples, you have to give concrete cases and take those matters to the Supreme Court and have it settled once and for all. अब तो time है, अब तो there are no elections in Bengal or Bihar. At least in those states, find those people, make those cases and take them to the Election Commission and the Supreme Court. Why are you not doing that? Why are you not doing that? Why are you only creating confusion?
Navika ji, first of all, when we raise questions in parliament, those questions are to the government. And when the BJP spokesperson speaks on behalf of Election Commission of India and debates, they are not spokesperson of ECI. And probably that is the reason we find BJP stands on the Election Commission envelope. Now coming back to your question.
Do not use my name. जब से debate शुरू हुआ है, Navika ji will vouch for this, please. It's all recorded and telecast. I did not use the word Election Commission at all. Not even once. Not even once.
But you're favoring the...
It is your choice. It's a free country. Anybody can take any point of view. You are allowed to take yours. Is Charu Pragya not allowed to have her point of view? Her point of view will also be determined by you.
But it is inevitable.
Explain me this.
If the
Explain me this. Why BJP's stamp is found on Election Commission's envelope? Why BJP's stamp is found on Election Commission's envelope?
Turned out to be
What is
fake
your
news even
Okay, all right, then if that is the case, why did... 1 minute, Ashwini, 1 minute, allow me to speak. If that happened in Kerala, why did the CEO of Kerala join V.D. Satheesan, your chief minister in Kerala? Please explain to me. Please, the stamp on the envelope happened under that officer. How is he in the chief minister's office, Congress chief minister at the... Bata do.
Navika ji, you may dilute the question by being rhetoric.
How?
But the point
it's not.
that
I'm sorry, there's nothing in my question that is rhetorical.
Moreover, Navika ji,
it is based on fact. Karan Verma. Karan Verma, where is the rhetoric in my question?
Just as they try to find logic in Rahul Gandhi's statements, they are finding rhetoric in your statement. That's all I can say. There is none in either of the cases, but the fact is, Navika ji, they stand exposed, and that is their problem in everything.
You are the
they say Donald Trump is misbehaving with India, and then Revant Reddy names a road after Donald Trump, and then Donald Trump's road is named after Donald Trump there. This is the Congress party. They don't know. They are running like
Trump said that
scattered in all directions. They don't have an ideology. They say something. They believe in something entirely different, and something radically different actually happens.
I can tell you, Ashwini Mishra, Ratan Kelkar was the chief electoral officer of Kerala, the state where the stamp of the election commission and the BJP was there, and he took charge as secretary to the chief minister V.D. Satheesan. Well, matter proved, QED, don't find fault where there is none. If there is a problem, don't write letters, file cases. All 30 lakh of them, that examples that you are talking about, each of those 30 lakh people deserve to have the opposition standing up for them, making a case and going to the court. If you cannot prove your case, writing letters and having double standards in Karnataka, certainly not going to help you. Well, we did a poll and we asked the question, SIR in Karnataka. DK says must enroll. Rahul Gandhi's vote chori claim busted. 90% of the people believe yes, The whole claim has been busted. 7% people say no, can't say anything. 3%, 90% people know that the Congress doesn't know what it does. Thank you very much to all my panelists joining me on debate number 1.